If you ever tried to fill a skilled position on your own, mechanists, forklift operators, maintenance tech, CNC operators, lead packers, you already know it's not easy. And it's not just about finding somebody with the right skills. It's about finding somebody who shows up, fits in, follows safety protocols, and actually lasts. That's where the real challenge begins. Let's break it down. When you try to fill skilled roles on your own, here's what you're probably dealing with. Dozens of unqualified applications, no shows to the interviews, candidates who say they have experience but can't pass a practical test, background and safety concerns you don't catch until it's too late. And even if they get hired, they leave after a week. Sound familiar? While you're chasing applicants, your production falls behind. Your supervisors are frustrated. Overtime piles up, and now your best employees are stretched thin to cover the gaps. That one position ends up costing you way more than just the job posting fees. Here's what happens when you work with a staffing agency like Voyage. We screen for real skills. We verify experience and run background checks. We handle safety trainings and onboarding. We even place temp-to-hire so you can try the employee out before committing. You get candidates who are qualified, prepared, and supported from day one. No more spending weeks on hiring just to start over again. No more guessing if they can do the job. No more letting your team fall behind while you're scrambling. Let's be honest, not every agency is built for skilled labor. At Voyage, we specialize in logistics, warehouse, and light industrial staffing. We understand what makes a strong operator, technician, or team lead, and we sent you people who fit the role and your culture. You don't have to take hiring on alone, especially for skilled roles that affect your bottom line. Let Voyage Employer Services take the pressure off. We'll help you fill the role fast and fill it right. Leave a comment and let us know what skilled positions is giving you the most trouble to fill right now. And when you're ready for the better way to hire, visit voyage-es.com. Voyage Employer Services, building better workplaces, empowering people.